Hello everyone and welcome back to the video. In this video we'll be taking a look at how to fix the Instagram audio being unavailable, and it's a problem in 2023. So how do you fix the audio being unavailable in Instagram? Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you guys are updated whenever we upload a new video. Now stick until the very end so that you don't miss a single detail. Now the first thing that we are going to try is that go ahead and check if your Instagram is fully up to date. So of course everyone will be seeing this kind of problem, so the developers themselves will be trying to solve this issue as soon as possible and create an update. So let's go into our Play Store right here, and then let's go ahead and search for Instagram, and then you should be able to see if it's not updated the update button rather than seeing open right here. So you should be able to see update right here. So if it is fully updated, then you shouldn't be able to see anything else apart from open. Now if it is not updated, go ahead and update it, and then don't forget to reset your phone. So turn off your phone and then turn it back on, and then try Instagram once again. Now another solution that you can go ahead and do is we will go ahead and clear our cache. So let's go into our settings and then go all the way down until we see our apps right here. Now we're going to be clicking on the search icon on the top right, and then let's look for Instagram. Now in here, what we're going to do is we're going to be force stopping the app if it is open in the background. So that will be the one on the bottom right, and then click OK. And now we're going to go down until we see storage right here. Go ahead and click on this. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be clearing our cache right here. So clear the cache on the bottom right. And then if you want to clear the data as well, go ahead and clear your data. So this will remove all of your logins and all of this. Now go ahead and restart your phone once again, and then try and open the Instagram. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, what you can do is we can individually report the problem. So let's go ahead and go into our Instagram account right here. And then let's go to our profile on the bottom right. And then we're going to be clicking on the top right, the three lines right here. And then let's go on settings and privacy. Now we're going to be going all the way down to help, so that's for the support right here, and then report a problem. Since this is an audio problem, then we won't be able to show this through Shake, so let's toggle this off, and then let's go ahead and click report a problem. Now you can go ahead and add, you can choose to include this or don't include it. It's all entirely up to you. And then it says here, briefly explain what happened. Well, this is when we can go ahead and say the Instagram audio is not working. Kindly fix this. And once that you're happy with your message, just go ahead and click send, and then go ahead and wait for 24 hours and they will reply to you, or they will create an update on the Google Store so that you can go ahead and fix this issue. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.